Hello, dear friends. Welcome back to Nostal Garden, your cozy corner for timeless garden inspiration. Today, we're sharing something truly special, 16 small fence ideas using recycled materials. These aren't just beautiful, they're meaningful. Each idea brings charm, character, and a touch of nostalgia to your garden, while giving old items new life. Whether you're looking to spruce up your flower beds, add a little privacy, or simply enjoy a weekend project, this video is made just for you, gentle on the hands, kind of planted and full of heart. So grab a cup of tea, sit back, and join us until the end. You won't want to miss a single idea. One wooden pallet charm fence. Using old wooden pallets is a charming way to add warmth and character to your garden. These sturdy boards can be easily cut and arranged into a small fence, perfect for marking flower beds or vegetable patches. Paint them in soft, vintage colors or leave them natural for a rustic look. It's an enjoyable DIY project that doesn't require much bending or lifting. Plus, it's a beautiful way to recycle old wood while adding a nostalgic, cottage-style touch to your outdoor space. You'll enjoy both the process and the peaceful result in your garden sanctuary. 2. Vintage doorway divider fence. Have an old wooden door in the shed? Give it new life as a garden fence. Standing doors vertically side by side can create a quaint, storybook-style boundary. You can paint them white for a classic look, or use pastel tones for a cheerful effect. Add small hanging flower pots or vines for a lovely, lived-in charm. This fence not only defines your space, but also becomes a conversation piece for visiting friends and family. It's simple, sentimental, and beautifully aged, just like the best things in life. 3. Terracotta pot border fence. Line up and use terracotta pots, either upright or sideways, to form a charming fence around flower beds. You can plant small herbs or flowers in them, making the border both functional and beautiful. It's easy on the hands and knees, and no hammering is needed. This type of fence adds warmth and earthy tones to your garden. If you have broken pots, don't worry. Those add character, too. Every chip and crack tells a story, just like in a well-lived life. 4. Window frame garden fence. Old window frames can be turned into a see-through fence, perfect for a whimsical garden feel. Secure several frames together with hinges or posts, and let climbing plants weave through them. You can even hang small decorations or wind chimes from panes. The result is a magical, light-catching feature that defines your space without feeling closed in. It's an easy weekend project, and you'll smile every time the sunlight pours through. 5. Bicycle wheel fence. Old bicycle wheels make for a quirky and eye-catching fence design. Line them up between wooden posts or even attach them to an existing fence for a decorative layer. The spokes create beautiful patterns, and you can decorate them with ribbons, small flower pots, or fairy lights. It's a nostalgic nod to days gone by and adds a whimsical feel to your landscape. It's also light on labor, but heavy on personality. 6. Crate stack fence. Wooden fruit crates can be stacked and secured together to form a short fence or partition. You can fill some crates with potted plants or garden tools, while others can act as mini shelves for birdhouses or ornaments. This fence adds storage and style, perfect for small gardens or patios. It's a creative reuse of something simple and familiar, and the vertical design makes it easy to manage without bending low. 7. Shutter fence delight. Vintage window shutters can be used just like fence panels. They bring a classic, southern feel to the garden, especially when painted in light pastels or white. Mount them between wooden posts or directly into the ground. They offer both privacy and beauty. Add hooks to hang lanterns or planters for even more charm. This design is perfect for those who love a garden with stories, texture, and timeless elegance. Eight, garden tool fence. Retired rakes, shovels, and hoes can find a new purpose as part of fence. Attach them handle down to a wooden beam, and you'll have a creative, themed border around your garden. It's a gentle reminder of the hard work and joy that gardening brings. No need to waste old tools, just honor them in your space. It's functional art with a sentimental touch. Nine, ladder frame fence. Old wooden ladders can be repurposed into a tall, narrow fence, perfect for climbing plants like ivy or sweet peas. Simply stand them upright and secure them with posts. The steps act as ready-made shelves for potted plants or decorative touches. It's an easy way to add height. Ten, painted tin can border fence. Collect empty tin cans, paint them in bright or pastel colors, and line them up along the edge of your garden beds. You can even fill some with small flowers or herbs. This colorful idea adds a playful and cheerful vibe, especially in smaller gardens or patios. It's also lightweight and easy to install without strain. A great way to reuse everyday items and let your creativity shine. No heavy tools required. Eleven, tree branch wattle fence. Using fallen tree branches, you can weave a simple wattle fence, an old English method that's charming and environmentally friendly. This natural-looking fence blends beautifully with flowers and greenery. Collect branches from your yard or neighbors and gently weave them between upright sticks. It's a peaceful, meditative process, and the end result is rustic, sturdy, and full of character. A perfect project for connecting with nature and honoring traditional ways. "12. Mason jar light fence. While not a full fence, this idea enhances any existing border. Attach reclaimed wooden posts along the garden path and hang mason jars with solar lights or candles inside. As evening falls, your garden becomes softly lit, warm, and magical. It's safe, simple, and very low effort, just right for cozy nights outside. Combine with other recycled fence ideas for a total transformation. A little light goes a long way in creating atmosphere. "13. Worn drawer fence planters. Old drawers from dressers or cabinets can be mounted on a low wooden fence or used to build one. Fill each drawer with soil and plant colorful flowers, trailing vines, or even lettuce and herbs. The layers create a beautiful vertical garden with character. This idea adds charm, functionality, and a touch of whimsy, perfect for spaces near patios or porches where you can sit and enjoy the view. "14. Folding screen fence. If you have an old folding room divider, it can double as a lovely temporary garden fence. Made from wood, bamboo, or fabric, screens can section off areas or provide a gentle privacy wall. Add climbing plants or hanging decor to personalize it. Since it's portable, you can move it with the seasons or shade delicate plants. This is a quick and graceful solution for changing your garden layout without digging. "15. Tire rim border fence. Old metal tire rims can be buried halfway into the soil in a row to form a sturdy and industrial-looking border. Their round shape and solid texture offer unique contrast to soft plants and flowers. You can paint them or leave them with a natural patina. It's a durable choice that honors the past and keeps waste out of landfills. Best of all, no sawing or carpentry needed. Just a good eye for placement. "16. Bookshelf garden divider. Repurpose an old wooden bookshelf by laying it flat or standing it upright as a garden divider. Use the shelves to place potted plants, garden tools, or decorative items. If left horizontal, it becomes a low boundary, vertical, a privacy screen. Seal it for weather resistance, and it'll serve you well through the seasons. This brings a cozy, lived-in feel to the outdoors, perfect for readers and gardeners alike." And there you have it. 16 delightful fence ideas that are not only easy to do, but filled with creativity and care. From old doors to wine bottles, each piece tells a story and adds a warm personal touch to your garden sanctuary. Which one was your favorite? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give a like, hit subscribe, and click the bell so you won't miss more relaxing garden ideas made with love just for you. Thank you for watching Nostal Garden, where every bloom holds a memory